Starting to self-train a service dog, what you need to know. Hi, I'm Donna from Service Dog Training Institute. In these next 4 videos, we're going to cover the information that you need to know to train your own service dog. We're going to cover 4 key areas today. 1, the need. 2, resources needed. 3, the dog. And 4, the training of the dog. Knowing the terminology is very important. Legal access varies depending on if you have a service dog, an emotional support animal, or a therapy dog. And then there are assistance dogs. What are they? Match the term to the definition. A service dog is trained to do tasks to mitigate the handler's specific disabilities. It is important to note that in Canada and other countries other than the US, police and search and rescue dogs also fall under the legal service dog category and have the same protections. Medical service dogs in these countries are usually called assistance dogs. An emotional support dog is included under housing and transport laws. These dogs may require a note from your doctor in order to keep them as pets in rental and strata accommodations, and for airline travel. A therapy dog is trained to work with other people. They have special permission to work on the premises. So examples are working in hospitals, schools, and senior care residences. And they may help people in trauma situations, such as after mass shootings. 3 more phrases that are important to know. Owner training or self-training. This is when a person with a disability or their family member, on their behalf, selects, raises, houses, trains, and maintains a service dog candidate with the help of a trainer in part or whole. Board and train. This is when an owner's dog is sent away for training for part or all of the training. Owners may use this to help them overcome a training challenge or to professionally help the dog overcome a trauma like a dog attack. In contrast to an owner-trained dog, a program dog is when a program, usually nonprofit, selects, raises, and trains a dog or has a potential handler train the dog under their guidance. The program typically retains ownership of the dog. There are 4 key areas to consider when thinking about owner training a service dog. First, the need. Second, the resources available. Third, the dog itself. And 4, the training of the dog. The first consideration is the need for a service dog. If you have a diagnosed disability and your disability is stable, if you've looked at all possible options to mitigate your disability, like assistive technologies, counseling, medications in the long term, and if you've identified that a service dog is a viable option for you, whether alone or in conjunction with the other options listed above, and you can wait 6 months to 3 years to work through the process, then a service dog might be an option for you. Subscribe and watch for part 2.